And Kat Hobbs, is nationalisation, renationalisation really the answer?
Absolutely. So 76% of us want to see the railways brought into public ownership. And that's because passengers are absolutely sick of what's going on the railways. We've seen Northern, Southern, GTR in chaos with delays and cancellations. We've seen passenger satisfaction falling. It's quite clear that these privatised train companies aren't working for passengers and they aren't working for the public. If we brought the railways into public ownership, we could save around £1 billion a year and we could plough that money back into better services, more reliable services and lower fares.